Good morning, students. So, the topic we see is IC voltage regulator. So, what is a voltage regulator? An voltage regulator is an electronic circuit needs DC power supply either from battery or power pack units. It may not be economical and convenient to depend upon battery power supply. Hence, many electronic equipments contain circuits which convert the AC supply voltage into DC voltage at the required level. So, the DC voltages obtained from such circuits should be stable. So, the function of the voltage regulator is to provide stable DC voltage for powering other electronic circuits. A voltage regulator should be capable of providing substantial output current. Voltage regulators are classified as series regulator or linear regulator, switching regulator. So first, let us look into the introduction of the voltage regulator. Voltage regulator is designed to automatically maintain a constant voltage level. The voltage regulator is a circuit which will try to maintain the output constant voltage under all the operating circumstances. The output voltage changes if there is a change in our input voltage or change in load current, or if the ambient temperature is changed. It is applicable to the voltage regulator circuit as well. Depending on the design, it may be used to regulate one or more AC or DC voltages. So here is the regulated power supply. Here we use a transformer, rectifier, filter, voltage regulator and the load. Here we can clearly understand what a voltage regulator, what is the purpose that a voltage regulator serves for. So a transformer converts a 110 volt into a steps up 110 volt into a 220 volt, and again it is rectified, it is from AC to DC. So the DC is filtered where filtering requires the noises and other particle other is present in the harmonics present in the wave, and then it is by the use of the voltage regulator it is maintained constant and then given to the load. So IC voltage regulator means integrated circuit voltage regulator. They are basically series regulator with all the basic blocks present inside integrated circuit. IC voltage regulators are easy to use and easy to operate. IC voltage regulators are three-terminal devices that provide a constant DC output voltage that is independent of the input voltage, output load current and temperature. So important features of IC regulators. One is programmable output, facility to boost the voltage or current, internally provided short circuit current limiting, inbuilt thermal shutdown, floating operation to facilitate higher voltage output, and versatility and low cost. So classification of voltage regulators. A IC voltage regulator may be classified as linear regulator and switching regulator. It is further divided into fixed voltage regulator and adjustable voltage regulator. A series regulator uses a power transistor connected in series between the unregulated DC input and the load. The output voltage is controlled by the continuous voltage drop taking place across the series pass transistor. Since the transistor conducts in the active or linear region, these regulators are called linear regulators. Next one is the switching regulators. Switching regulators operate the power transistor as a high frequency on or off switch so that the power transistor does not conduct currents continuously. This gives improved efficiency over series regulator. Next, this is the three-terminal IC voltage regulator. So it can be seen from the figure that it has a thermal shutdown and current limiting pass transistor. So this transistor is in series with the unregulated DC voltage and the regulated voltage. Hence Hence, this may absorbs the difference between these two voltages whenever any fluctuations occur, so that the output would be smooth. Next, the resistor R1 and R2 from the sampling network to produce the feedback signal proportional to the output voltage. V reference is internally generated voltage reference. This voltage reference is compared with the feedback signal by the comparator to produce the control signal. This control signal is routed through the thermal shutdown and current limiting block to the series transistor. So the thermal shutdown and the current limiting block provides a protection increased internal temperature or over current. The internal temperature exceeds a predetermined value, then the thermal shutdown block will not allow the control signal to pass through to the series transistor. This will turn off the chip automatically. The current limiting circuit protects the regulator against overcurrent. Next one is the advantages of IC regulator. The power supply design becomes easy and quick. The IC regulator are cheap and are easily available. IC regulators are small, hence they reduce the size of the power supply. They are easy to use and they are versatile. They have features such as programmable output, facility to boost the output voltage or current, internal protection such as thermal shutdown, floating operation to facilitate output voltage, etc. 3-terminal fixed voltage regulator. So a fixed voltage regulator has 78XX series. These are called 3-terminal positive fixed voltage regulators. 7xxx series are 3-terminal positive fixed voltage regulator, hence XX indicates the output voltage. These regulators are available in 7 different output voltage range such as 5, 6, 8, 12, 15, 18 and 24. Thus, if we select a regulator IC numbered 7812, it provides us a 12 volt regulator output voltage. So here is the box provided for the input voltage range and the output voltage range. Next one is the 79XX series fixed negative voltage regulator. 79XX series is also in 3-pin fixed voltage category. The series or regulator ICs have designed to provide a fixed negative output voltage. These ICs can provide -5, -6, -8, -12, -15, -18 and -24 output voltage like 78XX series. Thus, if we select a regulator numbered 7812, it provides a -12 volt regulated output voltage. Next one is the 3-terminal adjustable voltage regulator LM317. So LM317 series provides 3-terminal adjustable positive regulator. Here we may have LM317, LM317H, LM317HV, LM317HVH, LM317L and LM317M. So features of IC LM317, it has output current in excess of output current in excess of 1.5 amps, output adjustable between 1.2 volt and 37 volt, internal thermal overload protection, internal short circuit current limiting and the output transistor state operating area compensation. Hence, we can have a recap. So these are the some of the voltage regulator functions. So what is a voltage regulator? So a voltage regulator is designed to maintain a constant voltage level. It is applicable in many circuits. The function of the voltage regulator is to provide stable DC voltage for powering the other electronic circuits. So a voltage regulator here used to smoothen the load before it is applied to the load. Smoothen the input voltage before it is applied to the load. Next one is it has the type like linear regulator and switched regulators. So linear regulators have the types fixed voltage regulator which is the 78XX series and the adjustable output regulator which is the LM317 series. Series regulators are called The active or linear region acts in the active or linear region. Switching regulators acts in the high frequency on off switch. So hence got the name. These are the some small brief introduction about the voltage regulators. Thank you.